Now here we'll cover this lab, that is improving network performance. Click on Start Lab. Now once the lab is started, just right click and open in incognito window. Now here what you need to do, let's come over here to the lab instruction and come to task number 3. From here we have to go to VPC center. Okay, VPC we have to type. Click on this VPC networks. On the search box, whatever page is opening, you have to simply come to the search box, type VPC and select VPC networks. Now from here we have to go to the firewall. Create firewall rule. For the name, just copy this name. Target will be all instance in the network. And for the ranges, we have to add this IPv4 range and action on match will be allowed. Okay, these things we have done. Now we have to add a protocol. So just select TCP and UDP. TCP is 5001. UDP is also 5001. Now after that, simply click on create. So finally, it has been created. Now simply check the score for this task. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.